What up, guys? GTR right here. My dad decided to buy one, no idea why. RS3 is right there with the slick setup. And the Evo's over here on the trailer. Looking sick. It's not broken. We're going to another race event. Power Cruise. If you don't know what it is, look it up. I don't have time to explain it. I'm here to show you guys action, not talk. So, yeah, that's where we're at. Unfortunately, the Audi is always with me, but this year it's not. So we'll probably be getting gapped the fuck up. But whatever, it's still fun. Rather be there than not. We're sitting on the golf cart right now. Because, yeah, we got to take this. The Grom's in the garage. We'll be taking that, too. My dad will be here with his trailer soon. A big ratified trailer. Load up the RS3, and then we'll be on the way. Just to sum it up, basically, it's street racing, roll racing, but on the track. That's all it is. We're on a different camera, so shout out to Katie. She's let me borrow hers. Evo's packed up. Just waiting on everybody else, and then we're hitting the road. Wow, this blue really pops on this thing. Yeah, it's basically Nagara blue, guys, if you guys haven't caught on to that yet. Alright, let's go. Get the Evo. Facts. Facts, yo. Radham's back there. We got a 2-hour drive ahead of us, and then we'll be there to check in and unload.
2 hours later.
Dude, there's not a long line at all, is there?
No. Maybe.
Maybe. No, not really.
We are here.
Hey, guys.
Oh!
Oh, there's
It's
not.
short.
Bet, say less. Well, we're here. We'll get inside and let's just get through this gate first. What up, guys? Oh, lighting. You see it? We got the VIP passes. We're all ready. Now we're just waiting for the guy to come tech us. That's it. Then we'll be in. Yeah, we're gonna unload here quick, and I will probably catch you guys tomorrow morning before we hit the track. Alright, before we move into the next day, I'll just show you guys our campsite here. I just got the Evo off. Dad's setting up over there. But we're here and we're setting up. This isn't everybody, but the majority of us. And yeah. Now we just need to settle in and make ourselves at home, and then we'll be on the track tomorrow. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, all. It's like 9:20 right now. Track opens at 10, so we'll be heading on the track at 10. But just saying good morning to everybody. We just got here. It's a little windy, and I think I'm just gonna strap the GoPro on my head and just do that. Guys, before Drake gets back, I gotta show you this. Look at his goddamn crank pulley. Like, what is going on here, buddy? I hope, Drake, you see this, because I'm making fun of your clapped ass car right now. What the f is going on here? And I bet you don't even know you got a boost leak right here, buddy. Oh. We're just going to line up in the line right now, next to the drag strip here. And the track opens in like 8 minutes. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I see an Evo already, I think. I'm gonna get whopped so hard. But hey, we're here for the fun. Alright, we'll see you guys on the GoPro. Jesus. Alright, that's the standard line over there.
Am I supposed to record?
I mean, no, you're fine. I got the GoPro on now.
Wait, Cam's out there right now.
Whatever you want. All right. We're on the track now. swap. I think RS6 turbos and rods. It's a nice cool morning. Ooh, that GT500 looks nice. Dad's going up against a Subi. God, those wheels look so sick. It's a little windy. It's fine, you can have that. Right there.
Are you going on the vlog?
Probably not. To not grind, I'm short shifting at around 7K, which isn't bad. So I usually shift at like 7,500 anyways. I'm trying to get a run in with this Scooby. you remember that car?
Give her,
Yeah!
she's so perfect!
God damn. Damn, she still shreds.
I had tears in my eyes for a second.
Dude, it still looks good.
I know, dude. I just washed it all up.
She's still perfect. I don't care if she's slow.
She's a beast. She's a beast. Oh, there's that Evo. Fuck.
We're not racing that thing. No. Absolutely not.
Oh
No.
shit.
No, we don't want it. No, pass.
What? It's just FE red.
Really gonna want to get on board. That thing's fast.
That thing is fast.
I'm gonna go in between.
Good job, Evo. You're being so good today. I love it. Alright. So basically now we got a pit, but since we're VIP, we basically just get to go right back out. And yeah. But I'm gonna let the Evo cool down for a quick hot sec. And then we'll be back out there. Alright guys, it's 3 o'clock. We're on our second session now. We just had a lunch break. You want me to record this or not? Nah, you're fine. What? go see if I can cause some issues in the RS3.
Oh my god. Hey, there's a can of something right here. Don't run over. I don't know what it is.
Drake. All right, let's go give some people the gap sauce, eh? What does it say I got for battery? 30%? All right. Difference for real. Hey man. Mo. I usually hit it at the first cone, right as it straightens out. It's dope, huh? I don't even know what map it's in. What's up, guys? I've been really bad on the updates, and we might get copyrighted for that music, but I'm just letting you guys know right now that I am putting this on here because it's gonna rain. I don't know if you guys see what I'm saying? So Mason got his Evo back, but it's already having issues, sadly, so we're trying to figure that out. But I'm gonna freaking put that pop can on, and I'm gonna turn my car off, put my windows up, and go to bed until tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow.
H2O, you made
Wait, hold on.